In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Meta account using the Account Center. Whether you're looking to disconnect a specific account associated with your Meta profile, or you're aiming to take the more drastic step of deleting your Meta account entirely, I'm here to guide you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's get started by opening one of your Meta apps. This could be Facebook or any other app within the Meta family. Once you're in, navigate your way to the Account Center. This is where you'll manage your connected accounts across various Meta services. If you're unfamiliar with the process, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. Once you find yourself in the Account Center, go ahead and look for the section labeled Accounts. This is where you'll be able to see all the accounts currently linked to your Meta profile. Carefully browse the list and locate the specific account that you're considering removing. It's important to make sure this is the account you wish to disconnect, as removing the wrong one could lead to unwanted complications. Once you've confirmed your choice, select this account and you should see on-screen instructions popping up to guide you through the removal process. Take your time to follow these instructions carefully to ensure the account is properly removed from your Meta profile. On the other hand, if your intention is to remove your entire Meta account instead of just disconnecting a related account, you'll also want to be in the Account Center. From there, find the option for Personal Details. This section is crucial as it deals with all your account ownership and control settings. Here you will find Account Ownership and Control. When you select this, a new set of options will appear, including deactivation or deletion. This is the path you need to take if permanent deletion is your goal. Upon selecting deactivation or deletion, follow the prompts to carry out the steps necessary for deleting your Meta account permanently. Keep in mind that taking this action is irreversible. Once you've gone through the process and confirmed your wish to delete, your Meta account will be permanently removed, along with all its associated data. So, it's critical to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. I hope this guide has been helpful. Whether you're detaching a single account or deciding on a full deletion, being cautious and following these steps will ensure a smooth process. If you found this video useful, be sure to check out more of our content to get the most out of your experiences with Meta. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.